Pororo! Pororo in the Amazon, the hungry piranha. Eddie, what are you up to?
I have something to show you, Loopy. Ta-da! My newest invention! Introducing the Exploration Raft.
Wow, it's so cool.
I remember you told me you wanted to see the pink dolphins in the Amazon.
Wow, guys, look at this. These pretty pink dolphins live in a huge river called the Amazon. It'd be a dream come true if I could see these pink dolphins in person one day.
If we go on this exploration raft, we can get there in no time.
Really? But isn't the Amazon super far away from here? Could we get there on this raft?
You thought this was a regular raft, didn't you? Watch this. With this remote, it turns into a super speedy motorboat, as well as a state-of-the-art submarine.
Wow, this is amazing, Eddie.
No, it was nothing. Then shall we go to the Amazon?
Mm-hmm. But before I go, I need to go home and pack. The Amazon?
Loopy, are you ready?
Yup.
Great! Let's go to the Amazon!
Wow, look, fish.
Oh, and dolphins too!
Eddie, are you hungry?
I didn't get to eat breakfast.
I packed some sandwiches. Let's eat it together.
Really? Oh no, that wasn't me!
Huh?
Oh, Pororo!
Crong! Hi.
So, you guys snuck into the raft before we left?
Mm-hmm. We heard you were going without us, and we couldn't let it slide. Well, I'm glad. It'll be even more fun seeing the pink dolphins together.
Oh! We have finally arrived at the Amazon!
Really? So, we can see the pink dolphins soon?
Yup! Let's transform this raft into a submarine, then go look for the pink dolphins. Huh? Where did my remote go? Ah! Crong! You have to be careful with that! Give it back!
Oh. Wow, Crong, let me see that. I want to try it too.
I said give it back!
Crong, I want to try it too. Guys, stop!
Oh no! My remote control!
Oh, I'm so hungry. Oh, who was that? Huh? You're mine now. Let's go. It's meal time.
Let's go!
Where did it go?
Oh, I see something over there. It must be the remote control. I'll go get it.
Wait!
Oh.
Something's a little fishy. Stop it! This isn't food to eat, guys!
That's disgusting.
Look at its teeth. It's okay. Don't be scared. They're just fish after all.
They're not just fish. They're scary fish that eat meat called piranha.
Go away! They're not going to eat us, are they?
They shouldn't be able to get on the raft.
What are you doing? Throw anything that they could eat!
Food? Oh, my sandwiches! That was close.
You see, this is exactly why the Amazon needs me. You can't go a day without trouble.
Thank you so much for helping us. But who are you?
My name is Toko Toucan. I'm a bird famous for my big and awesome beak.
Wow, you really do have an awesome beak. My name is Loopy, and this is Eddie, Crong, and Pororo. Guys, say hello to our new friend.
Hello. A friend? Oh. So anyways, what brings you guys to the Amazon? You're not thinking of traveling through the Amazon with this tiny raft, are you?
Tiny? This is my coolest invention, the transforming exploration raft.
Oh, wow. Really? How does it transform? Can you show me?
No, not now. We dropped the remote in the river.
That means this raft is just a regular old raft. There's gonna be a huge rainfall soon, so if it flips over, it's not my fault.
Rain on a day as beautiful as this? I doubt it. Oh, it really is raining.
Come over here. Let's avoid the rain.
Okay. Oh my, it's raining so heavily. What is that?
A great big wave rushes towards the raft. Will Pororo and friends be able to safely avoid the rain? Find out on the next episode of Pororo and the Amazon.
Welcome to Toko Toucan's show, the Amazon Friends Introduction. And today I will be introducing a fish with very scary pointy teeth, the piranha. Piranhas are small, but as a group, they can gobble up anything. So always be careful of these dangerous creatures.
Pororo in the Amazon, the Enormous Pirarucu. What is that?
What do you mean, what is that? That's a wave! Quick, hold on to something!
Everybody, come here.
Crong, hurry, come over here! Crong! I'll go bring him! Eddie! Wake up!
What happened?
I think the wave is gone now, but I can't find Loopy and Crong.
What? Loopy!
Crong!
Oh no. I think they were swept away by the wave.
What? What do we do?
Don't you worry. The two of them are safe and sound.
Toko Toucan!
Like I said, nothing gets done around here without me. Anyway, I just checked and saw that the wave pushed them all the way over to the other end of the forest. They seem fine, so no need to worry.
Phew, what a relief. Eddie, hurry, let's go find Loopy and Crong.
I really want to, but without the remote control, we can't control the raft at all.
Then I'll go in the river to find the remote control.
Yeah, but then what if you get bit by a piranha?
Oh, yeah, I forgot about the piranhas. Then what should we do?
Toko Toucan, could you please let Loopy and Crong know that we will come find them as soon as possible?
What? I just flew over from there and you want me to go back again?
Please?
Please?
Nah, I guess so. But how are you guys going to get there?
I didn't think I was going to need this, but...
Oh, I knew it! You had another cool invention up your sleeve, didn't you, Eddie? Didn't you?
Here!
Oh, but this is just a paddle.
Yep, you're right. I'll paddle from this side, and Pororo, you paddle from that side.
Anyways, good luck, guys. I'm out.
Pororo, can't you paddle faster? Put your back into it.
Okay. My arm hurts. I wish a huge whale would just come and push our raft for us.
Pororo, stop messing around and keep paddling, okay?
I didn't do anything.
Wow!
So cool.
Hello, little guys.
Wow! You're a Pirarucu, right? I've read about you. You're the largest type of fish that lives in the river.
But that's not it. I'm also the strongest and most powerful fish in the Amazon.
The strongest? How strong are you? Are you strong enough to push this raft?
A raft?
Oh, I guess a raft is too heavy for even the strongest fish to push, right?
Too heavy? If I have my friends with me, pushing a raft like that is a piece of cake. Hey, guys!
I think they're really going to push the raft for us. Good work, Pororo!
Get a good look at us, the Amazon's strongest and most powerful fish. Are you ready, guys? Yeah, then here we go. Huh?
Wow, they're super fast!
Those are the best!
Where are we? Where are Pororo and Eddie? Don't worry, Crong. Let's find Pororo and Eddie together, okay? That scared me! It's just a little frog. Wow, it's so beautiful. Hello, little frog.
No! No, don't touch it!
What is Toko Toucan trying to warn them about? Find out on the next episode of Pororo and the Amazon.
Welcome to Toko Toucan Show, the Amazon Friends Introduction. Today I will be introducing the Amazon River's enormous fish, the Pirarucu. As tall as an adult human, Pirarucus are strong and can jump up high, too.
That was a good jump, wasn't it? Pororo in the Amazon. Don't touch the poison dart frog.
No, it's dangerous! Don't touch it!
Toco Toucan!
Ah, what are you guys doing? That's a poison dart frog!
A poison dart frog?
Yeah, they're very poisonous, so even a slight touch can get you in big trouble.
The pretty frog is poisonous?
The bright and pretty colors mean that they are poisonous. So you shouldn't just touch them like that.
It's okay, Crong. You'll be okay as long as you don't touch it.
Ribbit, 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 ribbit,
Back!
ribbit.
Back up!
Hmm?
If you hurt my friends, you're in big trouble.
How about you guys get out of my way? I'm just looking for a puddle. If I can't find one soon, my babies will be in danger.
Babies? They're tadpoles.
Oh, they're adorable. But why do they look exhausted? Dad, I'm thirsty. We're thirsty.
Wait just a little bit more. Daddy will find a puddle for you soon.
I feel so bad for the poor tadpoles. Let's help them find a puddle, okay, Crong?
Okay, let's do it. I actually know of a big puddle nearby. What do you think? It seems big enough for the tadpoles to swim around in, right?
Wow, it's huge! Hurry, let's let the tadpoles in here.
This is actually dangerous. Because it's big, they could be eaten by fish.
How about here?
Oh, it's not too big, and there are no fish.
Unfortunately, this won't work either. The tadpoles will float away as soon as they enter.
Oh no! Crong, you found a place?
This isn't a puddle. It's way too small.
Wow! This is perfect!
What?
It's not too big. Plus, the leaves cover and protect the babies and keep them safe. Here you go. Drink some water.
They're so cute.
And look, they swim so well, too. Oh.
Thank you so much, guys. Thanks to you, I was able to find a safe puddle for my babies.
We're glad we can be of help.
Then I guess it's time to part ways now. We have a long way to go.
Little tadpoles, I hope you grow big and healthy.
Bye, guys. Ribbit, ribbit.
Bye, Poison Dart Frog.
The Amazon is so much fun. First, we saw piranhas, and we even saw a poison dart frog.
But just as it's fun, it's also dangerous. From now on, don't just touch anything because it looks pretty, okay?
But what do we do now? We need to find Pororo and Eddie.
We will be able to find them soon. They're heading towards us right now.
Really? How cute! But will we be able to meet in such a large forest like this?
They're coming on the raft, so as long as we follow the river, we'll see them. Just trust me.
We're so lucky to have you with us, Toco Toucan. Thank you so much.
Oh, what are friends for? I'll lead the way, so just trust and follow me. I will make sure to... What? What's wrong?
Behind you.
What's behind me?
Who is this terrifying animal? Find out on the next episode of Pororo and the Amazon.
Welcome to my show, the Amazon Friends Introduction. Today I will be introducing the poison dart frog. Although they look small and pretty, they are actually very poisonous.
Hi, nice to meet you.
Oh, yes, it's nice to meet you. Ah! I almost touched you.
I'm just messing around. I gotcha.
Pororo in the Amazon, the Jaguar, the king of the jungle.
Where are you running off to?
Mr. Tiger, sir, could you just let us go, please? We need to hurry up and meet our friends, and we gotta see the pink dolphins, too.
Are you gonna keep calling me a tiger? I'm not a tiger. I'm a jaguar. You want me to show you just how scary a jaguar can be?
Mr. Jaguar, sir, it's their first time in the Amazon, so they don't know. Please forgive them.
They know what a tiger is, but don't know what a jaguar is.
I'm terribly sorry. You have patterns on your body, so I thought you were a tiger.
Not all patterns are the same. Tigers have black stripes, whereas jaguars have black spots that have a dot in the middle.
Oh, you're right.
Kadang, kadang.
Toko Toucan, you're so smart. How do you know all these things?
Nobody in the Amazon is as knowledgeable as me. Nobody.
Wow, you're awesome. Tell us more.
If tigers are known as the king of the mountains, then jaguars are known as the king of the Amazon. These alligators, or snakes, cannot compare to the jaguar. Isn't that true, Mr. Jaguar?
Yep. The king indeed. Well, at least before they arrived.
Hey, who are they?
A stronger animal has recently appeared in the Amazon.
Nah, I don't believe it. What kind of animal could possibly be stronger than you, Mr. Jaguar? Come on, let's see what they look like.
Do you hear that noise? That means they've come back.
I've heard this sound before. Could it be? Could it be?
Kadang, kadang, kadang.
What? That's the sound of a monster? It can't be.
They're not monsters. I think I know who they are.
Who are they?
Human beings. The ones who cause so much terror in the Amazon.
Humans?
Kadang, kadang.
Yes. Unfortunately, humans are cutting down so many trees in the Amazon, and therefore we are losing our homes. Whenever we see humans, all the Amazon animals are terrified.
Why would they do that to such a beautiful forest? And what are the poor animals going to do?
Kadang, kadang.
Huh? It's smoke.
The humans must have made another fire.
Fire?
They cut down all the trees and used them for fire.
Then we need to put out the fire. What if it spreads and burns everything down?
I'm afraid it's spread too much already. There's nothing we can do.
I came here to avoid the fire, but it looks like this place will burn up soon too. Run away from here, guys. It's too dangerous.
Kadang, kadang.
Wait! Come with us, Mr. Jaguar!
I'll go get my family, then go after you guys. So go on without me.
I'll go ahead and try to find a safe route for all of us.
I wonder if Toko Toucan got to the forest safely.
He probably met up with Loopy and Crong by now.
Wow, then the three of them must be exploring the Amazon forest. Lucky. I want to join.
Pororo, remember, we're here to find the pink dolphins that Loopy wanted to see.
Oh, yeah. Oops. Pink dolphins, where are you? Huh? Eddie, look at the sky.
What about the sky?
It's filled with dark clouds. You don't think it's going to rain again, do you? Oh.
The clouds are shaped a bit weird. Oh!
What?
Those are not dark clouds! That's smoke!
Smoke? Huh? That side of the forest is on fire.
That's the forest Loopy and Crong are in!
What?
The forest is filled with black smoke. Will Loopy and Crong make it out safe and sound? Find out on the next episode of Pororo and the Amazon.
Welcome to Toko Toucan Show, the Amazon Friends introduction. Today I am going to introduce the Jaguar. With their sharp teeth and cool spots, they are the king of the Amazon.
Don't confuse me with a tiger.
In the Amazon, the butterfly's friend, the Caiman alligator. And what do we do?
Pirarucu, is it possible to go a bit faster?
The forest our friends are in seems to be on fire.
You got it. Hold on tight. What's wrong? What's happening?
Caiman alligator is coming! Hurry! Run away!
It really is a Caiman alligator! I'm sorry, guys, but you're gonna have to go alone from here.
Wait! No! Don't leave us!
Now what do we do? Eddie! I think the alligator is headed towards us.
It's okay. We have our paddle to protect us. If the alligator tries to attack us, we can use this.
Mommy, Daddy, brother. Have you guys seen my family by any chance? They look just like me.
No, I haven't. I'm sorry. Are you lost?
Yeah. I went off on my own to catch some food, and when I looked back, they were gone. Oh no. Eddie, let's help him find his family.
I want to. But how are we going to find them in this huge river?
Huh? Look, butterflies! Oh my! The butterfly sat on the Caiman alligator's face. Oh, you guys are here. Yup, we came because we heard you crying from all the way over there. I was starting to get embarrassed from crying too much, but this is great. Drink away, guys. Thanks. Yummy!
Oh, the butterflies are drinking the alligator's tears.
I understand they're hungry, but why are they drinking tears? Well, his tears are delicious. In fact, we've been looking for a Caiman alligator all day today. Their tears are delicious?
Go, go. Not only are their tears delicious, but they're full of nutrients too.
I think their snot is more delicious.
Yeah. Wow. Look at the Caiman alligator. It looks like he's wearing a flower crown.
Wow, you're right. My face is all clean now because of you guys. Thank you so much, butterflies. It's nothing. Thank you for giving us such a nutritious and filling meal.
Yeah, we definitely love our Caiman alligator friends.
Yep, that's right.
Okay, then we're gonna get going.
Bye. Bye.
Wait! Don't leave yet, butterflies! Pororo, let's follow the butterflies.
Why?
Remember what the butterflies said? They were looking for a Caiman alligator all day. If we follow the butterflies, we might be able to find this Caiman alligator's family.
Really?
Yup!
Will we really be able to find my family?
Of course! Don't worry.
We'll find your family in no time.
Thank you. I was really scared earlier when I was all alone, but now I feel better being with you guys.
Look, the butterflies are going that way.
Heave ho!
Heave ho! Huh?
Shh!
Where are you? Mommy! Daddy! Brother!
There you are!
Phew, what a relief.
I'm glad it worked out.
You guys are the ones who helped our baby, right?
We must repay you. Would you like us to catch you an electric eel?
Nah, a piranha is way better than an eel.
Oh, no, it's okay.
Well, we do have a favor to ask. Would you be able to push us on our raft to the forest on fire over there? It's an emergency.
Sure, no problem. With the 4 of us working together, we'll get there in no time.
Oh, it burns.
I must find my family. You should leave too. Just keep running that way. Understood?
Yes, Mr. Jaguar. Please be careful.
Will do. You guys be careful too.
Will the herd of animals, as well as Loopy and Crong, be able to run away from the fire safely? Find out on the next episode of Pororo and the Amazon.
Welcome to the Toko Toucan Show, the Amazon Friends introduction. Today, I am going to introduce the Caiman alligator. These alligators' tears are delicious meals for butterflies.
Caiman alligators are precious friends to me.
Thank you.
Pororo in the Amazon. Rescue the sloth. Are you okay, Crong? Everybody is trying to run away from the fire. We should hurry too. Huh? What was that noise? Who's there?
Fire.
Huh? It's a sloth!
I've been searching forever, but I can't see them. Where did they go? I hope they're okay. Huh? There they are!
Hey, sloth! Hurry up and come down!
Okay.
What are you guys still doing here?
Toko Toucan!
Let's go! The fire is coming!
Can we bring the sloth with us?
What?
Hello.
Ah! I don't know if you know this, but sloths are the slowest animals in the world. If we wait for him to come down from the tree, we'll all be in danger.
If we work together, we can save him. Let's bring him, please.
All right. But instead of waiting for him to come all the way down, let's have him fall from the tree. The tree's not that tall, so he won't get hurt.
Fall from the tree? How?
Leave it to me. As soon as he moves his feet, he'll drop down. Come on, fall down. His hook-shaped claws are keeping him from lifting his feet.
How about we tickle him?
Oh, that's a brilliant idea. Tickle, 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 tickle.
Let's gather some leaves so the sloth doesn't get hurt when he falls from the tree.
Ka-dong, ka-dong.
Fall down, fall down, fall down. Tickle, tickle, come on.
Ka-dong, ka-dong.
Toko Toucan, hurry up!
Please fall down. Tickle, 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 tickle. Come on. Tickle, tickle.
It worked!
Look at the fire! We need to hurry!
Crong, grab the sloth's arm!
Ka-dong.
This way!
Ka-dong, ka-dong.
Crong, you're almost there!
It's a dead end!
Ka-dong. Ka-dong, ka-dong.
Oh no! A tree on fire is falling towards our friends. Will Loopy and friends be able to make it out safe and sound? Find out on the next episode of Pororo and the Amazon.
Welcome to Toko Toucan Show, the Amazon Friends introduction. Today, I am going to introduce the sloth. Sloths are as slow as turtles. It's going to take forever. He says hello, okay? Happy? All right, we're done now.
Pororo in the Amazon. The Anaconda is strong.
Be careful!
Oh my! It's a huge snake!
Hurry, get on! There's no time!
Okay, I think the Anaconda is trying to help us, so let's get on for now, quick!
Okay. Crong, let's get the sloth on first.
Ka-dong, ka-dong.
Hold on tight, everybody!
This way!
Ka-dong.
Wait, stop!
Mr. Jaguar?
Take my son too. I need to go back and find my wife and daughter.
No, I want to stay with you, Dad.
Dad will be back soon with your mom and sister, so stay with them, okay?
Yeah, stay with us. The Anaconda will take us to a safe place. Really?
Ka-dong, ka-dong.
Please keep him safe.
Don't worry, be safe.
Dad! Don't worry, your dad is a jaguar, the king of the Amazon. He will be back with your mom and sister in no time.
There's no time to waste! Let's get moving!
Can I go with you guys too? I hurt my leg and I can't move.
What?
You can come with us. Get on.
No! no! If more animals join, we'll be too heavy and it'll slow us down. Then we'll all be in danger.
Still, we can't just leave him behind. Hey, Anaconda, can we please take the monkey with us?
It'll be a little heavy, but I'll try my best to go quickly. Get him on.
Thank you. Kadang, kadang.
Hold on tight, everybody. Here we go.
This way! Which way should we go? Right? Left?
Wait.
Huh? Anaconda!
I can't go on. I'd be able to keep going if we were in water, but the ground is too difficult.
The fire is spreading! What do we do?
Anaconda, we're so close! You can do it!
Kadang, kadang.
Eddie, I think the smoke has gotten worse. At this rate, the whole forest will be on fire.
Uh-oh. I hope everybody's safe.
Why isn't Toko Toucan coming back? Nothing happened to it, right?
What just happened?
Oh, look over there!
It's a pink dolphin!
The pink dolphin has finally appeared. Will Loopy finally be able to meet the pink dolphin? Find out on the next episode of Pororo and the Amazon.
Welcome to Toko Toucan Show, the Amazon Friends introduction. Today, I am going to introduce to you the Anaconda. Anacondas are the largest snakes in the whole world.
Hey, you're really adorable.
Wait, let's end here for today. Bye.
Pororo in the Amazon, the lucky charm pink dolphin. Wow! Yep. Yep.
That's my remote control.
What? The dolphin had it all along? This is so much fun! Yep! Yep!
Hey, that's mine. Give it back right now.
What? No, finders keepers, losers weepers. It's mine now.
If you give me that, I can put out the fire in the forest. Our friends are stuck in that forest.
Really? You can put out the fire if I give you this?
Yes.
All right. Here.
Phew. Thank you.
Eddie, what's your plan?
Don't worry. I have an idea.
I don't think I can go on. You guys, go ahead without me.
No! Let's all get off and help the Anaconda.
Anaconda, come on, wake up! Oh, it would be perfect if it would just rain. Huh? Oh, wait, it's a raindrop. Rain? It's raining!
Huh? It's not rain. It's Eddie's helicopter. Here! We're over here! Oh. I see Loopy over there. And Crong, too.
Perfect. Water tank, open!
feeling so much better.
My son!
Daddy! Mommy!
Oh, we made it!
I'm so relieved that everyone is okay.
Kadang, kadang!
Is everybody okay?
Kadang!
But what happened? Did you find your remote control?
Yup, a pink dolphin had it all along.
A pink dolphin?
Kadang!
That's weird. It was just here.
Are you sure you saw a pink dolphin?
Oh, over there!
It's a pink dolphin! Wow! It's beautiful! It's like a dream!
They say that good things happen when you see a pink dolphin. It must be true.
You're right. Thanks to the pink dolphin finding this remote control, we were able to transform the raft into a helicopter and put out the fire.
And we were able to find all our friends.
Oh, really? Huh? Oh, pink dolphin! Don't leave yet! Come play with us!
Loopy, don't worry. We can follow the pink dolphin.
This is the best present ever!
Now, shall we bump up the speed a little bit? Let's go!
Hi, friends. Did you have fun on our amazing Amazon adventure? The Amazon is filled with so many awesome animals. I really hope that there are no more fires in the Amazon. Don't you agree?
Welcome to the Toko Toucan Show, the Amazon Friends introduction. Today, I am going to introduce the pink dolphin. Pink dolphins are known to have pink bodies. They're very unique.
If you find me, it's good luck.
Really? Then let me take a picture with you so I can have good luck every day.
Okay.